What's up guys, it's Ryan from Tweak My Device. I've got this Droid Bionic. It's been on a custom theory ROM for a little while now. I'm running Kinetics. It's 58894, and as you can see, if I try to get a system update, it's not on the upgrade path. So to get this thing back to stock and back on the upgrade path, I'm going to show you what to do. Check the link below this video for the Rootzwiki thread that Open Your Eyes posted. You're going to need the files in this section, either the 32-bit or the 64-bit Motorola drivers. You're going to need the radio, the 55886 radio for the Bionic, and one of these three links. Once you've downloaded the three files and you've installed your drivers, you're left with this complete restore and the radio. The radio you want to put on your storage card. So go ahead and plug in your Bionic for USB mass storage. You should get a message about setting up these new drivers. Let that finish. Great, everything's all green. And this file you want to go on the external card. So choose the SD card. And we're just going to grab this radio file and we'll drag and drop it right over there. Good. Close that window. Now open the complete restore. I'm using WinRAR. Extract that to your work area. When that's complete, you can close this window, and we're finished with these. We'll just move them out of the way. So we'll open this. Now we need to put the Bionic in Fastboot mode, so we're going to power it off. To do this, we need to press the volume up and down and press power. Be careful because this isn't like navigating clockwork. Just press down twice to get to Fastboot and up once. When you're in Fastboot mode, it'll look like this, and you can connect your Bionic to your PC. Go ahead and connect the Bionic to the PC. You should have a message about it installing some more drivers. Good, they're ready to use. So now we'll open a command prompt here. Hold down the Shift key and right click. Open command window here. Now we'll enter these Fastboot commands. Make sure you enter them very carefully. Don't skip any steps, and I'll include links to the screenshots of these. Once again, thanks to Open Your Eyes for posting all of this information. So let's get started. Moto-fastboot space erase space cache. Enter. For our second command, enter moto-fastboot space flash space LBL space LBL. Enter. Our third command, moto-fastboot space flash space logo.bin space logo.bin. Enter. Now our fourth command, moto-fastboot space flash space EBR space EBR. Enter. Our fifth command, moto-fastboot space flash space MBR space MBR. Enter. Our sixth command, moto-fastboot space flash space dev tree space device underscore tree.bin. Enter. And all the while, check your scripts and make sure you don't get any error messages. Alright, now we'll proceed. On our 7th command now, moto -fastboot space flash space system space system.img. Enter. This one will take a little longer, it's a larger file. Just be patient. Great. Now that's all finished. Took about a minute or so. Let's continue. moto-fastboot flash space flash space CD-ROM space CD-ROM. Enter. moto-fastboot space flash space pre-install .img. Enter. Alright, that's finished. Just a couple more. Now we're doing our 10th command, moto-fastboot space flash space webtop space grfs.img. Enter. This one will take several minutes, so you might want to go make a sandwich. Okay, again, that took several minutes. That's complete. Only 2 more short commands to go. Let's finish this up. moto-fastboot space flash space radio space radio.img. Enter. Alright, just one more command now. moto-fastboot space -w. Enter. Now we're finished with this part. You can disconnect your USB cable and press the power button once. Now we'll start in recovery mode. With your phone off, hold the volume up and down keys and press and hold power for about a second. Now press volume down once to highlight recovery and volume up once to select it. That took several minutes to get to this screen, about 2 minutes, so press both the volume up and down keys at the same time. Now we're going to wipe the cache, so scroll down to the bottom, highlight that, and power button to select it. Now our cache wipe is complete. We want to remove the battery. Take out your battery, put it back in. We're going to start into recovery mode again, so volume up and down, and power. Volume down once to highlight recovery, up to select it. Press both volume keys in at once. Now let's select Apply Update from SD card. And we're going to go right down here to select the radio. Great, that took a couple of minutes, but it's finished. And now we want to reboot system now. Press the power button. Alright, that's a great sight. Now that the Bionic has rebooted, give it about a minute to finish loading everything. We don't want to sign in, so let's bypass that and get to the home screen. Now we're finally back at the home screen. We'll plug in the USB cable and we want to select charge only. Now hit menu. Let's go into settings, apps. We want to allow unknown sources, and in development let's check to enable USB debugging. Let's go up to battery and data manager and set battery mode on performance. Now we're going to power off the phone. And just power it back on normally. Now we're powered on, plugged in. We can put down the Bionic. Back to this window where we were before. All of our restore files. Hold down Shift key and right click. Select Open a Command window. Now we're going to issue the root commands. Once again, check the description below this video for the link to the screenshot. Thanks again to open your eyes for all of this. So carefully type in ADB space push space zerg rush space /data /local /zerg rush. Enter. Our second command, ADB space shell space chmod space 755 space /data /local /zerg rush. Enter. Our third command, ADB space shell space /data /local /zerg rush. Enter. Now just sit back for a minute and let this do its thing. Awesome, finished with no errors. Alright, let's continue on. This will be our fourth command, ADB space remount. Enter. Remount succeeded. Alright, our fifth command, ADB space push space busybox space /system /xbin /busybox. Enter. Our sixth command, ADB space push space su space /system /xbin /su. Enter. Our seventh command, ADB space install space capital S for super user .apk. Enter. Success, very good. Alright, carrying on. ADB space shell space chmod space 4755 space /system /xbin /su. Enter. Got an error on that last one, so I'm going to redo it. ADB space shell chmod 755 space /system /xbin /busybox. Enter. Good, there we go. Alright, on our ninth command now, ADB space shell space /system xbin / busybox space -- install space -s space / system / xbin / enter. Complete with no errors. ADB space shell space ln space -s space / system / xbin / su space / system /bin / su and enter. Got a little error message on that last one. I'm going to repeat it. Shell space chown system space / data. Enter. Good. Alright, just a couple more. ADV space push space mount underscore ext3.sh space / system / bin and enter. All done. Last one. ADB space shell space chmod space 777 space / system / bin / mount underscore ext3.sh. Enter. Whew, now that one's done. Now we're going to power off the Bionic. Once that's off, just power it back on normally. Now we're powered back up and still connected with USB. Alright, let's get started with our last set of commands. ADB space push space boot.886 space / tmp / boot.886. Enter. Okay, somehow it missed that command. I'm going to try it one more time. Do this again. ADB shell su -c quotes $D if equals boot.886 of equals dev block boot end quotes. Enter. Alright, you want to catch this really quick. Allow that. Good. Granted super user. Excellent. And that's the end of that one. So now we can close this window and connect your device. Go ahead and connect your device to Wi-Fi. When you're connected to Wi-Fi, go down here to Settings, About, and we're going to choose System Updates. Now we're going to be able to pull in the over-the-air. You can see we're on 55886, so this is going to get us 55893. Great, there it is. Let's download that. This will take several minutes to download over Wi-Fi. Now that our update is finished, let's go ahead and install now. It'll reboot and go through the install process. Just sit back and let it do its thing. Now our Bionic is completely back up. We can check here in Settings, About Phone. You can see 55893. Awesome. And if we look in here in our app drawer, we have Super User. So guys, enjoy your Bionic back on 55893, and it is back on the upgrade path, and it is rooted. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe to Tweak My Device on YouTube.